Did you use our strategy to buy Tesla yesterday? If yes, click a like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And congratulations, you already make 8% profit, right? So click like, subscribe, share with your friend. Welcome to ymchannel. Today, I'm going to update with you. Tesla, can we long hold, or what happened to the NASDAQ? Are they going down again later, or are they all the way going up? And I will give you also an update for the S&P 500. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about the trading strategy and money mindset to give you some more education information for free for you to make more money. So now let's start. So this is NASDAQ index. So I will compare with you NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow Jones, okay? So remember, NASDAQ is more sensitive index. When they go to already basically pull back for 38.2%, and S&P 500 is so far, we just happen to pull back for 23.6%, okay? And how about Dow Jones? Have a guess. Yes, even less, okay? So Dow Jones is the least sensitive one, okay? So it's slower than the other one. So remember, Dow Jones one, I would say, is quite accurate. When Dow Jones really, they confirm this is bear, the other two market would be confirmed to be bear as well, okay? Just bear in mind of that, okay? So it's a very good index for reference to tell you this is bear or bull market. Okay, so far you can see we still look good. So now back to NASDAQ. So if you check the NASDAQ, so now we basically in the last video I have mentioned that RSI has hit 33, 32 this level. So basically every time when they hit this level, you can see in our historical record in our history. So this is nothing, is not the prediction, this is a history, but I want to tell you the pattern. So when every time there's one comment say there's no use to look at the history. Of course there's a use. It's a very good reference. Look. So every time when they hit this level, this is one of the low point. Every single time. You can see here. You see here? Low point. Low point. Low point. Of course, how to tell this is the lowest point or just low point? You need more technique. But at least this one can tell you this is one of the low point. At least they can tell you don't sell stock here. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so don't tell me, oh, the historical doesn't mean anything. Da, da, da. Of course it means something. Otherwise, you don't see this page, you don't see the chart, right? You don't need the history, right? So it's always to look left for the answer. It's always good to look at the reference. Remember also, each market, each stock, they have their own pattern. Okay, I find it so interesting. Like the RSI in general is 30, under 30 is oversold, above 70 is overbought, right? But for some very, very different stock, they will change a little bit. Okay, let's say Tesla or crypto, they could change a little bit because some stock, they are very hot. So when they hit even 40, people start to buy in. Or some stock, they're not so popular. Even they hit 25, still no one buying. It's possible they go lower then. Okay, so this is one of thing you need to keep in mind. But still, 30 and 70 for RSI is a good reference in general speaking. Okay, so now we look at S&P 500, shall we? Okay, oh, back to this one. I forgot to show you my indicator. So now this is going down. I told you this blue line is my indicator. It means the trend. So we are in the downward trend. So far we still look at it as a downward trend. Okay. So we will, if you buy stock around this point, basically you will see it as a rebound. You just catch a short return. Okay. So now look at S&P 500. So if you use the golden ratio, basically we have returned to pull back to 23.6%. And if you draw a trend line here to here, okay, basically it stop here. It's possible they bounce up since this is downward trend. It bounce up, the momentum is not big enough, they go back again. So maybe they will hit around 4,179. Okay, it's very possible this level, around this level. Okay, so basically around 4,200. Is it possible to go lower? I would say this is 50% pullback. So let's see how it goes. But first, it's very possible to hit this one, the 4,200. Okay, this level. So because look at the trend line here. So it's very possible they come back as a retest before they jump up again. Okay, so this is S&P 500, and same, the RSI is low. You see here, like every time they hit this is one of the low point. They hit this, one of the low point. They hit this now here. Okay, so of course when they hit here, the RSI below 30, of course this is a low point. Okay, so Dow Jones. Just bear in mind why I show you this graph, because I don't want you to go all in. So far we still catch the rebounds. That's it. Okay. So I don't want you to go all in or go margins. Just be careful. So this one, if you draw the trend line here, it hasn't touched the trend line. And maybe we wait one more day, which is tomorrow, which is today when you watch this video. Well, let's say Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday will be a critical day. So we need it to stop and go up. Okay, cannot drop below this. If Dow Jones drop below, the other two may not confirm this is a rebound yet. Okay, so far we have an oversold signal for many stocks, including Tesla. I have mentioned many times. So Tesla, if you follow my channel closely every day, and I have mentioned on Sunday or on Monday, basically we will fetch our oversold signal is confirmed. We can buy in here. This is one of the simple strategy. You don't need to pay for any indicator. You can tell from this RSI 14 indicator to buy. Okay, so but still, again, the long trend is still downward trend. So just need to be careful. And short term, we use this red line, also my indicator is more sensitive. Now it's go above this red line. So if you have this in, so we just need this line to turn up to change direction. But it's very good because from downward trend, now it's going fat. And then they go upward. Okay, so it's possible we have a strong momentum to go up. Okay, so this is one of our buying signal here. And I have mentioned before, remember the copy strategy. The lowest point is here, and we have a green candle here, and put like count 1, 2, 3, the first candle here. The point has to be highest and higher, higher. Okay, but turning backward. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. This is the first candle. We draw the line from the highest point, which is 240.5. 240.5. This is Tesla. Why? Because it's funny. Today, this candle basically stopped at 240. It doesn't go above 240.8. Okay, it doesn't go above. So this one is kind of not a resistance, but it's kind of like a landmark. So if the stock go above this, it will start to have a fast go up. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so far it look good for Tesla. I hope you can catch this race. Do you buy it? Do you follow my channel? Do you follow my strategy? Many people ask me, actually many friends told me, should they buy around 240? I say there's no buying signal yet. Wait, okay? Even they have a gap support here. It doesn't mean when we reach those zone, we have to buy in right away. No, you need to wait. until there's a buy signal. Okay, so in the last video, I've told you what is my complete strategy, how to buy Tesla. And it is so easy and it's completely free. So watch the video. I will put the link at the end of the video. Watch it if you forget. Okay, so if you want to know more about your stock, the trend with my indicator, now you have a chance. And just click the link below in the comment section. Put your stock symbol, basically 2 stock symbol, and your email address, not in the comment, but in my own link. And you will see in my bio link, you basically will receive my email about a screenshot for your stock with my indicator. So it's a very good indicator to tell first in long term is it upward or downward, and in short term what's going on. Okay, very easy indicator. So show you one more of my indicator, this one, when chips enter. So basically the green bar means the organization start to buy in. So if you use this as, this is a very good indicator to tell this is one of the low points, okay? So look at this. It's possible the organization keep buying, like say here. First, they flash this, they flash this green bar. They can still continue to go down. Like, okay, if you follow this green bar buy, and then they keep going down until here. They're like, oh my God. So this indicator doesn't work. No, it's not true. But at least this is a good indicator to tell you. So basically we need to wait when they disappear. This is one of our strategy. And look at this indicator. I have to turn up again. Okay, so here is still turning down and the organization buying, and you want to buy together with them, is fine, but you need to have the holding power. Okay, so let's say if you don't have enough capital, you need to match with other indicator first to wait when they finished the whole thing, and then we buy. How about we buy here? This is great. Look at here. You see, this is big difference. Let's say you buy here is still fine, but I mean, in the future, still fine, but just take you really long time to build the profit. You see here? So now we have also the green bar happening recently here. I mean, this is one of our relative low point. I can only say relative because the absolute low point, sometimes it can fresh again, like they will keep for a few months to keep buying the stock. So they will try to push down the stock price. Remember this, how the organization buys stock, they have to push down the stock price, okay? So this is the mindset different. Why, like how they buy stock and how the individual buys stock, the mindset is a bit different, okay? So, so that's it. Oh, I want to show you one more thing, which is quite interesting. Let me put this the biggest for you to see. Okay, so if you see this 3 bars candle, so when you see 3 bar going down, and the volume going up, this is one of the pattern. It shows this is possible. This is one of our bottom. Okay. Okay. So for example, even it happened on the weekly chart. Down, the volume up, have to be up, okay? And this is one of our bottom, okay? So which is quite interesting, either up, like a ladder, or down, continuously going down. This one going down also is one of our signal to show this is possible. This is one of our bottom, but remember, you have to know how to cut loss because it could happen, which is like here. 3 candle, down, and you buy here or we buy here, up, boom, go down again. What happened? So you need to have a cut loss. On the candle you bought that day, the lowest point, you have to set a cut loss. So in case if they drop below, it means the organization want to buy more. Okay. Either so you need to cut loss. So they can push down the price really a lot. Look, from 260 to 120. Okay. So just need to be careful with this strategy because this is one single candle strategy. It's not 100% accurate. So you need to have some other strategy to help you to see where is the best buying point. Okay. So this is my sharing today. Like, subscribe. Oh my God. Subscribe and share with your friend. I see you in the next video and let me know which stock you want me to look at. Okay. So see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.